There have been a lot of discussions and difference of opinions on whether an idea can be patented or not. Well, this indeed is a tricky question with an uncertain answer. Hi friends, this video, How to Patent an Idea, explains you the way idea can be patented. This is Bindu Sharma from Origin IP Solutions, a leading legal and IP services providing company in India. When we talk about getting patents on idea, it's important for us to understand that patents are granted to the inventions and not to the ideas. In the Patent Act, nowhere there is a mention of the word idea patents. So patents are granted to the inventions, which could be product or process, where such product or process is novel, industrially useful, and inventive in nature. These three requirements have to be fulfilled in order to get a patent. As an inventor, while drafting a patent specification, one must disclose the best method known to the inventor on the day of filing patent application. An issue that arises here is that if the invention is just an idea, what is the best method of implementing the invention? At the same time, we also must understand that all inventions originate from ideas. Therefore, it must be understood clearly that patents are granted only to the inventions and not to the ideas, provided such inventions fulfill certain statutory conditions as specified in the patent law. There are two ways to file for a patent, that is, either a provisional patent application or complete patent application. If the invention is still in the development stage and is not complete yet, a provisional application should be filed. The purpose of filing provisional patent application is to claim the earliest priority date. There are some reasons for an inventor to file a provisional application. Some of the reasons could be that earliest date of filing or priority date is required. When conservation of time and money is a matter of importance, it makes lots of sense to file a provisional application first, followed by complete application. If the inventor is unsure if the invention will be developed further or not, it is a good idea to file provisional application to start with. If the experimental data concerning the invention is not ready yet, but still inventor wants to file at the earliest to claim the priority date, he can file provisional application. Sometimes investors will release fund only after inventor produces evidence that patent application is filed. In such case also, if time is less and finances is an issue, the inventor can file provisional application immediately and submit the record of filing application to the investor. If there are changes expected in the experimental data before completion of the work, it is a good idea to file provisional application because some changes can be accommodated when you are filing a complete application. It's extremely important to note here that a complete specification may be filed within 12 months from the date of filing provisional application. So since this timeline of 12 months is very strict, you must plan to file your provisional application accordingly, making sure that your experimental data and everything else is ready for complete application filing within 12 months from the date of your provisional application filing. Points to ponder. It's worth noting here that provisional application may be filed if the invention is at the stage of idea, provided that the idea is executable and is capable of being performed practically, because at later stage of time, at the time of filing complete application, the best mode of performing the invention has to be disclosed. That's why it's important that at the time of filing complete application, all experimental data is ready so that you can document and write in your complete specification the best mode of performing the invention. Further, the inventor should also keep in mind that scope of provisional and complete application must remain the same. You cannot drastically change content of your complete application from the provisional application. So there may be variation in your experimental data, but overall scope of both provisional and complete application, they should remain same. Now, let's see what does law say in major jurisdictions in the world like Europe, US and India. Article 83 of European Patent Convention states that an application must disclose the invention in a manner sufficiently clear and complete for it to be carried out by a person skilled in the art, and insufficient disclosure is one of the grounds for opposition of the patent. So this clearly says that disclosure has to be sufficient and best mode of performing the invention has to be disclosed. If it is not done, the patent application can be opposed. United States patent laws explain that the patent specification must be complete enough so that a person of ordinary skill in the art of the invention can make and use the invention without undue experimentation. The law further states that the disclosure must also contain the inventor's best mode of making or practicing the invention. So in United States also, the patent law emphasizes on disclosure of best mode of performing the invention, and this best mode of performing the invention cannot be disclosed just with an idea till the time you have all experimental data to support the way invention can be performed. Now coming to Indian patent law, Section 10 of Patent Act says that every complete application must be fully and particularly describe the invention and its operation or use and the method by which it is to be performed. The Act also mentions that the application should disclose the best method of performing the invention which is known to the applicant and for which he is entitled to claim protection. So Indian Patent Act also indicates that mere idea is not enough to get a patent, but you need to have best mode of performing the invention disclosed in the patent specifications in order to get a patent. Let's see this case law. Press Metal Corporation Limited versus Noshir Sorabji Pojkanwala case. In this case, it was stated that at the time of filing complete application, the best mode of working the invention must be disclosed. Failure to do so may expose the application to opposition before or after grant of the patent, thus leading to invalidation of the patent. It was held that it is the responsibility of patentee to state clearly the nature and scope of what they claim in the patent, and that the patent specifications shall not contain ambiguous and obscure information. So by this case law, we understand that it is important that best mode of performing the invention is disclosed in complete application, and there should not be any ambiguous information in the complete specification. So this again indicates that idea itself is not enough to get a patent. We discussed various provisions of Indian, European and US patent laws to understand whether idea can be patented or not. We also discussed one case law where it was clearly mentioned that best mode has to be disclosed in the patent application. Now let's compile everything and understand whether idea can be patented or not. In conclusion, an idea cannot get a patent as such if the idea is not executable or cannot be converted to an invention. In order to claim priority date and protect the idea, it is recommended to file a provisional application if the invention is at the stage of an idea or experimental results of the invention are not complete. Even if invention is at a development stage, you can file patent application, I must say provisional patent application, to claim earliest date of priority. However, at the time of filing complete application, idea itself is not enough, and inventor shall submit full disclosure of the invention along with the best mode of working the invention. I hope this topic, how to patent an idea, is clear to you now. So in nutshell, if I have to summarize, I can say that idea as such cannot be patented. However, you can file provisional application with an idea, and later on, at the time of submitting complete specification, you can disclose your experimental data as well as best mode of performing the invention, and this way you can claim earliest date of filing and protect your idea as well. Here I will briefly explain you the steps for filing and registering a patent. As soon as you conceive idea or you have any invention, you have to document your invention well. You can have standard invention disclosure form to document your invention, wherein you must list out novel elements of your invention, technical difficulty that you are trying to solve, and how does your invention work. So these three things are very important when you are documenting the invention. The second step is that you must perform a patent search. There are lots of free tools you can use for performing a patent search. So the purpose of patent search is to analyze whether your invention is novel or not. Once you're sure about novelty of the invention, you have to draft and file your patent application in the right or appropriate patent office. By filing patent application, you can have a priority date and application number for your invention. If you are an Indian national, you can file your application in India first, and within 12 months from your Indian filing, you can go for any kind of foreign filing. After expiry of 18 months from the date of priority or date of filing, whichever is earlier, your application is published by Indian Patent Office. After publication, your application is taken for examination. Examiners in patent office, they will examine your application and they will give you the list of objections which you have to comply by, and after you reply all the objections, the patent is granted. And after grant of the patent, you have to pay periodic renewal fee in order to keep your patent in force. So this is overall the process of filing and registering a patent is. Thank you for watching this video today. For any queries related to our services, you can contact us. Email ID and phone number is given in the video description. See you again. Till then, keep learning, keep innovating. Goodbye.